Hey guys, it's Chris. Setting together a demo and I noticed that the switch isn't really working. Like it's kind of too tight on and it's probably not going to stop right now. I took out one screw to try to get it to stop. This is like, I've actually never had this happen to me before, but a couple people have emailed in saying, hey, my switch doesn't work. So what I wanted to do is kind of troubleshoot it with you guys. Because for one thing, I just assumed that I could use any screw, and that is not the case, apparently. So if your paddle isn't working, take off both screws and then just press on both sides. See, so that would be down. This would be up. So clearly the switch does work. So what I'm pretty positive is happening is A, you're either tightening the screws too tight, or you're not using the screw you're supposed to. The screws you're supposed to are in this bag. You want to make sure it fits down there. And basically what's happening, like for example, this screw doesn't fit in. So even though once you start with the drill, it will pull it through, it's pulling on the actual housing instead of sitting where it needs to screw in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the right screws. If I can get it. Ideally, you probably wouldn't have this plugged in when you're doing it, because that would be way harder. I'm just gonna unplug it. There we go. So now when I do this, see it actually moves. Plug this back in. We're gonna have to do a reset. In reset mode, it moves super slow. So this is not how fast it normally moves. Come on. There we go. So now see, it works perfectly fine. So if you're having this issue with your paddle, it's probably because one, you're probably not using the right screw. If you lost the screws that come with it, just make sure that the head of the screw is small enough where it wants to drop all the way through and it's not catching at the top. So yeah, if you're having that issue, check this out. If not, or if this doesn't fix it, let me know and we'll get it swapped out. Thanks guys.